What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back with a 3.9 kegger Magnum engine. This also applies to the Jeep 5.2. You guys know who y'all are. And other Magnum drivers, and probably is applicable on several Dodge Rams. So I'm chasing down this Misfire here. When you're chasing down a Misfire, the first thing you want to start with on these old school rods, in my opinion, is the distributor cap. Check it out, make sure it's clean. Then plugs and wires. So that's what we're doing, but I wanted to show y'all this guy. It's called the distributor pickup. It's a flat little piece of plastic right here, and these are known to go bad. So if you step on it that has no power, this could be your problem. It's like 10 bucks on Amazon. Alright, stay tuned. I'll let you know if I fix it. Thanks for watching. It may be a stretch timing chain.